The Art of Applying Foundation, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but interesting phrase, put on foundation. This is a common term in the beauty and makeup world, and understanding it can help you in both practical and language learning contexts. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it in sentences, and some tips if you're actually going to put on foundation yourself. Put on foundation refers to the act of applying a foundation product to one's skin, typically on the face. Foundation is a type of cosmetic product that helps even out the skin tone, cover imperfections, and sometimes even provide skincare benefits like hydration or sun protection. The phrase encompasses the entire process, from selecting the right shade to the final blending on the skin. Foundation is often considered the base of any makeup look. It creates a smooth, even canvas for applying other products like blush, bronzer, and eye makeup. The right foundation can enhance your natural beauty by covering blemishes and evening out skin tone, making it a crucial step for many in their makeup routine. Putting on foundation might seem straightforward, but there are tips and techniques to ensure it looks natural and lasts all day. 1. Prep your skin. Cleanse and moisturize your skin to ensure a smooth base. 2. Choose the right shade. Match the foundation to your skin tone for a seamless look. 3. Apply primer. Optional primer can help foundation last longer and smooth out any pores. 4. Use the right tools. Fingers, a makeup sponge, or a brush can be used, depending on the coverage desired and the type of foundation. 5. Blend, blend, blend. Ensure the foundation is fully blended into your skin, along the jawline, and down the neck to avoid any lines. When learning phrases like, put on foundation, it's helpful to practice them in context. Try making sentences with the phrase, or even better, incorporate it into a conversation with a friend about makeup or daily routines. Remember, the more you use a phrase, the more natural it will feel. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to put on foundation, and how you can do it yourself. Whether you're interested in makeup or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, phrases like these are fun and practical additions to your language toolbox. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next video.